Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Indoda ye-YouTuber usine gugulethu Elvin Kenana responds to what Umusakaula said about him laphana ku-Twitter. Umusakaula revealed that Elvin Kenana uke waba abusive towards his baby mama lani bantwana naye labayi-two back basasevasithi kesana, and people defended uguy and said ukuthi he doesn't look like the type of guy lo shaya bafati. Uthe makabhala lapha ku-Instagram story yakhe uthi people who find problems to have it, people who don't bother them in any way, are miserable people. Don't let a miserable people drag you into a fight they are having with themselves. It's none of your business. So mangifundisisa kahle what Elvin Kanana said, he's not saying ukuthi uMusakaula is lying, and he's not saying ukuthi uMusakaula is not lying. So it's that type of a situation where someone just says no comments. Lokushiya solo stibuto ukuthi as what Musakaula said about Elvin Kenana true or not, because he doesn't seem like he's saying ukuthi he didn't do it or he did what uMusakaula said, but siyatibuta songukuthi nje vele angakwenda uElvin Kenana logo. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.